Final answer, C.
Girls, we are in a fine dining restaurant. Sabi nila.
Kinakamay ko na yung kami. Ito yung bibig ko.
C!
Okay? Okay na?
Yeah.
Okay? Mika, ha? Oh, Mika, tama. Very good, children.
Ay, tama nga.
Okay. Dala na po yung spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Upper left.
Hey. Daming food. Guys, mag-dinner na rin kayo.
Oo nga, yung mga ano.
Ano, Mika, Jo. Grabe kamukha ni Joanna yung nasa ano.
Asan yung kanya?
Yun o, yung yellow.
Fork. Y'all.
Wala.
Si ate ayaw mo lang nasa gitna.
Get kayo sa likod.
It's me.
It's ano,
Ano ba yan? Yeah, kasi pink yung hair clip.
Oh, yeah.
Sa ate Aya. Ayan, katabi ko. Dito. Yung
Ay,
orange.
aso. Siguin. Tapos, si
Ay, yung buhok
Si
na.
Shi, yung
gray. Ano yung gray?
Si Ate Colette.
yung
Oo nga. Katabi ko pala si Len. Parang,
Sino ba nag-isip ng emoji ni John noon?
Si Shi.
ang cute, diba? Ang cute ng ano,
Thank
ng
you.
ano, ng
Thank you.
poster. Yan yung
Yes.
ano, yung character namin na nasa ano,
Guys, kung hindi,
yung Shell Bookstore.
ano siya? Who wants spaghetti?
Oo, actually, feeling ko, dinosaur si Joe, kung hindi siya chick.
Kung hindi ka chick.
Ay, ito, girls. Girls, pagpapapiliin kayo, kung hindi yung animal, hayop.
Hindi ka magsasalita.
Kung hindi yung animal character nyo na inassign sa inyo ngayon, ano yung gusto nyo animal character if you have the life, if you have the will to live? Hindi. Ano yung kayo, ikaw, ano gusto mo?
Ano ba? Ang tanong?
If hindi if hindi yung animal character nyo yung representation sa inyo ngayon, if you have okay, kahit ano,
Dragon.
anong symbol ang gusto nyong ibigay sa sarili nyo?
Vampire.
Vampire?
Dinosaur.
Ikaw.
Dragon.
I want vampire.
I'm toothless.
Para ano, hindi ako tumanda.
Oh, you're not.
But you're gonna be alone forever.
No!
Maghanap ako ng asawang vampira din.
Mm-mm.
Or tikbalang. Or kapre.
Paano
Kapre
pa?
na lang para ano.
Matangkad.
Oo.
Tall, dark, and
Tira
handsome.
ako dun sa ano niya. Sa treehouse niya.
Okay, let me read the next.
Wow! Guys, nagpresenta si Gwen na
Kanina pa ako nagbabasa.
lang siya ganyan.
Okay. The question is, which city included in the Beaniverse World Tour is the capital of the United States?
Washington. Manila.
Manila.
Oh, go.
Ano?
Ano sabi nila?
Diyan si Superman.
Washington, Makati. Oo nga,
Capital of the
O, New York, Cubao.
Parang halata na.
New York, Cubao.
May mga ganun na.
C. Alin?
New York Cubao Blooms. Actually, meron pa kaming isang tour sa Cubao Expo. Abangan niyo po kami dyan, yung concert po namin.
Baka mag-edit sila niyan.
Joke lang.
Fake news.
Joke lang naman. Oh, which city daw? Anong sagot natin?
C?
Ano? Oh. Ayun pala may mic kayo.
Laguna daw, sabi ni Joe.
Washington Discord daw. Kasi DC. New York Cubao. Anong sagot, Blooms? Tulungan niyo kami, please. Help us, please.
Final answer.
Oh.
C.
Game!
Washington, D.C.
Oh, yeah.
Has been the capital of
It is Washington, D.C.
Yes, Washington, D.C. has been the capital of the United States since 1790. It is home to the White House, the U.S. Capitol, and the Lincoln Memorial U.S. Washington, D.C., the theater at MGM National Harbor, June 3, 2025, dyan po kami magpa-perform. As you can see sa inyong mga screen, yan yung venue ng aming concert. Yeah. Correct ang aming answer. So, shortbread, pasok. Where is the shortbread? Where is the bread? I'll cue.
Red. Oh, so that's the...
Wow, ang cute nito. Merch ba natin to?
I think so. Ang cute nga eh.
Merch po namin to?
Oh my gosh! I thought it's Ate Ju!
Ang cute naman. My name's...
It's Ate Ju!
Grabe pag si Gwen, no?
If it was you, I'm gonna... Mas malala ka. What's that? Okay, I ate a lot today.
Can someone pass the cookie, please?
Stop jokes.
Can someone pass the cookie, please?
I will pass it to you next. It's like you're the sisters of Cinderella. The three sisters.
At ikaw si Cinderella, ganon.
Siya si Anastasia.
No, because
I'm
it's
Drizella.
so- the cards.
Hindi, ako si Lucifer yung pusa nila. Okay, next!
Ice cream! Next prize is ice cream! Okay, question! Houston, Texas is famous for which place? Houston, we have a problem. Everything is bigger than Texas. Remember that?
Pag ito, minalinya bloom sa sinasabi ko sa inyo talaga.
Everything is bigger in Texas.
Everything is bigger in Texas. Texas. It's B.
Wait lang. Mag-search ako para may... Search ko kasi ice cream yan eh. It's B. Basta kasama. Wala hanggang dul.
Tio, pizza.
Everything is bigger in Texas. Wala hanggang dul.
It's B? Is it B or C?
B.
I think it's B. B. Final answer, B. B.
Pag yan mali talaga, ha?
Uy! It's B, Arami.
I think it's A. Just from my mind, it's A. I didn't search anything. I think it's A.
Really? Basta search anything.
Anong search?
I'm
Wala nga
so
akong
proud
cellphone.
of you. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah!
Ano yan?
Yep, it's A.
We have ice cream.
Oh, this iconic space code was made famous during the Apollo 13 mission. Wow, NASA, I love.
On top of the building.
Houston, Texas. 713. Oh, that's my birthday, 713. July 13, Music Hall on June 9, 2025. See you guys. I meant to be. Meant to be siya. Taga dyan ako, guys. Birthday ko yun, 713. Where's the ice cream?
I'm waiting for the ice cream.
Ay, no! Ay, no!
The cornetto.
Ayun na.
Grabe! Guys, ang sarap nito.
Take you to the top. Ooh! Taputin ang lahat ng pangarap mo. Run around. Take you to the top.
Alam nyo guys, kumain na kasi ako rin kanina yan.
Tayo hanggang doon.
Sino ang kumain kanina?
Milk tea ka ba?
Kami ni Mimi.
Milk tea ka ba? Bakit? Tinamaan na naman ako sa'yo.
What's the freaking...
Ito, math equation ka ba?
Why?
Kasi para sa'yo, kasi sa'yo palang solve na ako. Uy, sa corneto to.
Dahil pala di muna ako kumain kanina. Ngayon.
Sana sa science class ka na lang. Bakit? Para you're in love with me. Uy, sa corneto to.
Can I have some tea, please? Can I have some tea?
Can I have some tea? Tea daw po, 7 weeks.
Can I have
Hey, Aring Uya. Aring Uya. Can she have some tea daw?
Zoom in yung sa kagat ni...
Go.
Pa-zoom in po.
Sobrang perfect.
I-zoom in Hindi! I-zoom in nyo pa! I-zoom in pa! I-zoom in pa!
Sobrang
As in yung sobrang zoom.
Sobrang perfect.
Sobrang alam.
Sobrang perfect.
Hindi. Sobrang
Perfect.
Kaya